welcome to Shifi Food Days. Today is a Sunday, so have a great day to everyone. So today I'm going to share with you how to make a escabeche. Escabeche is a Spanish dish. So it's a Spanish Portuguese words. So it's made of fried fish and sweet and sour sauce. So it's composed of vinegar and honey or vinegar and sugar. Usually citric sauce. So I'm so excited to share with you my own version and recipe. This is very simple, easy, and super delicious. So I'm so excited to show it to you. Let's do it now.
Let's cut our carrots into julienne or long strips, like that. Next, our tomato. Remove this one and remove the seeds. And cut also like julienne or strips, same size, like that. Next, our bell pepper, long strips, all julienne, same size of our other vegetables. Next, our green sile. Next, our onion. Just chop it. So let's chop our 2 cloves of garlic. Next, let's cut our ginger strips, all julienne. Let's cut also our red chili. Just like that. Love spice. Our lemon seed, or you have lime or lemon. So here's our ingredients: carrots, bell pepper, tomato, ginger, green sili or Philippine chili, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 pieces of chili, 1 calamansi, white onion, butter. We have spring onion for our garnish later. 2 tablespoons of our honey. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. 1 teaspoon of our vinegar. Black pepper. Paprika. Salt. Oil. 1/2 cup of water. Then let's cut in the middle our garlic for our fried tuna. Okay, like that. And tuna. So cut our tuna into perfect cut. Perfect cut. Oh yes. So first, let's season our tuna. Then let's add the black pepper. Always the basics, always like that. Always season. The next, our paprika.
So ready na yung ating pan. So set natin ng medium heat. So add oil. Wait natin hanggang ito yung mainit. Mainit na yung oil natin, lagay na natin yung ating tuna. Maglagay tayo ng butter para mas masarap siya. Then, lagyan natin siya ng cut na garlic. Garlic and butter in the tuna. So, yung ingredients natin sa tuna is black pepper, salt, and paprika. Then, pag tinride mo siya, lagyan mo siya ng garlic and butter. So, that is very good combination. Lasa-lasa. Tuna kasi sobrang sarap niya. May lasa na talaga yung tuna. Dapat, ang pagluto nito is medium fire lang. Mabilis siyang maluto. So, babalik rin na natin yung tuna natin. Nag-golden brown na siya. I smell the garlic. So, kapag ito talaga yung ulam namin, guys, paparami yung kain ko kasi masarap talaga siya. Ito na yung ating tuna. So, let's set aside our tuna. Let's prepare our sweet and sour sauce. Let's heat our pan first. Add oil again. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Then, add our garlic. Let's wait until golden brown. Why golden brown? It brings the flavor. Then, let's add our onion. Then, add the ginger. Add our green sili. Add our tomato. I smell the aroma of ginger. It brings something different aroma in your dish. Bell pepper. Carrots. And last, with chili. I add some butter. So next, 1/2 cup of water. Soy sauce. Vinegar. Squeeze of calamansi. Then add our honey. Add black pepper, pinch of salt, nag-caramelize na yung ating sauce. So let's put our tuna para ma-absorb ng tuna yung ating sauce. Let's put in the top. Oh. Something like that. Oh no. So ready na yung ating escabeche. So let's do plating. So let's put our sauce. And add our garnish. Finally, done na yung ating escabeche. Sweet and sour, spicy garlic tuna. So, medyo mahaba yung aking title, but in short, escabeche is a Spanish dish. Always remember that. So, let's try it. I'm always excited tumikim kasi mas masarap kasi yung pinaghirapan mo. At ikaw lang din kakain. So, that's good. That's a good idea. So ito na. Lagyan natin ng sauce ng kaunti. It's very spicy. Sweet and sour, the honey, the calamansi. It's a good combination. Let's try the vegetable. Half cooked. Ang sauce talaga nagdadala dito eh. Ang sauce talaga. Yeah. And tuna. Maanghang-anghang because of iba kasi yung anghang ng ginger na binibigay sa ating dish. At iba din yung sili. Bring something like try nyo to sa mga hobby nyo, sweetheart nyo, sa loved one nyo. At palapit na yung ating araw ng puso, Valentine's Day. Sa mga nilalamig dyan, sa mga single dyan, lutuan nyo na yung mga crush nyo para magkakagusto na sa inyo. Magkaroon na kayo ng minamahal, partner, love life. Ito na yung panggayuman nyo guys. So you try this. Or to your family, to your father, to your mom, to your sister and brother sa weekends, sa family times, para maiba naman yung kanilang panlasa. Try this, very simple and easy. Hindi naman siya ganun ka. Yeah, medyo mahal lang yung tuna natin, pero let's just try. Minsan-minsan lang naman magkaroon tayo ng espesyal na araw para treat mo yung pamilya. Sa ganitong simpleng ulam, you don't need to go restaurants. Try this one. Siguradong magugustuhan ka. Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, please subscribe to my channel, hit the thumbs up, and click the notification bell para naman lagi kayong ma-notify sa aking mga bagong video. So, thank you for watching Chevy Food Taste. See you in my next video. Bye!